Welcome. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Guys, type me 999 in the chat if you're watching this live, or let me know in the comments if you're watching the replay with 888. I am really excited doing this live with you today because today we are going to discuss a very important topic that I've actually heard today from one of my mentors. And this is something that I don't want to sound negative, but it will help you understand where we are with economy, with society, and how to prepare more with that. So today we're going to discuss the biggest lie, the biggest secret, actually, the governments don't want you to know. And this is something that what I call is we are in a secret or silent recession. And this is something that it's showing to the statistics. And I wanted to discuss more about that because today I saw a statistic of the 4-week moving average of United States bankruptcy filings, and it was not the best. So what I want you to do, go to my Instagram right now, if you're watching this live or within the 24 window period, and screenshot the post that I took from Mike Sotero, my mentor, about the bankruptcy filing surge to dangerous levels. And I want you to see, I have the screen in front of me, I have the image right now in front of me, but I can't share it because I'm right now live streaming on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, so I don't know how to share screen, but anyway. So you can see that we were at those levels 3 times. Number one, it was back in 2008 when it was the Great Recession that happened. Then it was the 2020, the COVID pandemic crisis, and right now. And what most societies, most governments right now are pushing is that economy is going really nice. It's okay. But if you see more of the statistics, what you can see is, number one, we have the same surge on bankruptcy filings in United States. Number two, inflation may be in theory going down, but prices are still high. Number three, interest rates are increasing. Yes, you may be like, oh, you know what, the Fed of United States, couple of days ago posed the increase of the rates. Yes, but he mentioned about rate hiking in the next FOMC. And number four, many people are either losing their job or their salary is decreasing. And with all these confirmations, with everything that we are seeing, also with the stock market going down, stocks going down, gold going down, real estate going down, crypto going down, what I've started realizing is that we are in a silent recession that the governments don't want you to know about it for their own agenda, which I'm not going to touch on. But my goal in this live today is to, number one, make you aware of what's happening, because the media don't show this. The media will try to distract you. The media may come and let you know about another one pandemic, about another one lockdown, or whatever they want to distract you with, or another one submarine or whatsoever, because they want to distract you from the main news and the important thing that we have to focus on. Now, I'm not mentioning and I'm not sharing this today as a topic to get you scared, first of all. My goal is not to get you scared. My goal is to make you aware and give you solutions on how to get prepared. Hey, Lani. Hey, Afsendi. Welcome, guys, on today's live. By the way, guys, type me from where are you connecting with me, either on the replay or on the recording. Maybe you're in Cyprus, Greece, United States, Thailand, India. We're having a global movement right now happening with this live. So type in the comments from where are you connecting. So closing this small parentheses, let's get back to it. My goal, as I said, is not to get you scared. My goal is not to get you afraid and panicked. Oh my God, the economy is going to hell. we are going to have another one crash. We may have, but I want to get you aware on it with facts, the 4 facts that I've mentioned about inflation, about interest rates, about the filings of bankruptcy in the United States, about the salaries and by the way, also the unemployment rate is increasing. And number 2, I want to give you solutions on how to prepare on that, because the government won't give you solutions. Let me tell you, government will not come to the rescue if you don't rescue yourself and your family. And I know many of you want to help your family, want you have your family secure, but with this economy right now, if you don't do the extra mile, your family may not be secure. Many people will have very difficult times in the next 12, 24 months that do not prepare. So how do you get prepared? How do you get ahead of all this that is happening? Number 1, get educated. Find a way that you can build an extra income alongside your current job. You may be like, Kira, why I don't have a job? That's the way, that's the reason that you have to get educated, okay? Now, if you have a job, there is a statistic about millennials and Gen Z that they will not be able to retire with just one income stream. There is another research that says that the households right now cannot survive with 2 income streams. And you may have seen this with your own household. So right now, having an extra income stream, either online or offline, is not like charity, but is mandatory if you want to go through the months. So number 2, find people that will help you, that they have the results and will help you and can help you, mentor you, go through this period. Because again, we are in a silent recession. You will not hear this in media until it's too late. But when you hear it in media, it's game over. So we have to be prepared from now. And number 3, something that my mentor, Bob Proctor, mentioned is society's economy doesn't have to be your economy. Because again, if you go to see the image that I mentioned at the beginning of my life about the filings of bankruptcies, yes, it shows that the economy right now is not good, but it was in the same on 2020 COVID pandemic crisis. And on my own personal experience, back in 2020, I made the most money that I've ever made in my 6 years career. So in the period of time that it was pandemic, everyone was afraid, everything was going down, I made the most money that I've ever made in my career as an entrepreneur. Why? Because Bob Proctor, I was studying into his inner circle in 2020, and he mentioned one thing into one of the lives of the masterminds we were doing that is still in my mind. Society's economy doesn't have to be your economy. Yes, the economy out there may be bad. Yes, there is increase of unemployment. Yes, the inflation is going up. Yes, the interest rates are going up. Yes, the bankruptcy filings are going up, but it doesn't have to determine our economy. In every adversity, there is opportunity. For example, crypto right now are cheap. People are panicking. People are afraid. And it will go even lower, like I said in my previous live. Guess what? That's a dollar cost average opportunity if you have the proper education, proper mentorship, you know where to invest, and you know when to invest. It takes education. Or right now that the economy is bad, guess what? If you start an online business, not only you can help yourself working from your home, wherever you want, but also help others get through this not so good economy. So this is it, what I wanted to share with you guys today. Just to sum it up and close this live, number 1, I want to point 4 things and facts to prepare you of what's happening and be aware. Number 1, unemployment rate is going up. Number 2, inflation, yes, in theory is going down, but prices are still increasing. Number 3, interest rates are still going up. Number 4, We have the bankruptcy, as we mentioned today, filings that are right now on all-time high, like it was on 2020 and 2008. And my goal is to help you be aware and prepared. How you get prepared? Number one, get educated. Get educated on finances, on mindset, on personal development, and how to build multiple sources of income online. Number two, find a mentor. Find somebody who have done it before that is willing to guide you to do it yourself this time. Number three, learn how to build income sources online. And number four, do not allow society's economy determine your economy. In every adversity, there is opportunity. Guys, thank you so much for being with me today. Type me which of the 4 ways you're going to apply that I've mentioned to be prepared on this economy that we are going through, and can't wait to see you on the next live. Guys, God bless you.